Here are a few ways to ensure your team develops a connection to their job and to your organization. Provide structure. Although it seems counterintuitive, many people thrive on having a regular routine. When employees know what they're supposed to be doing every day, it reduces their stress level and increases their sense of security. Offer opportunities for new skills. Encourage your employees to take risks, to try new things, and to step outside of their comfort zone. When your team members get to learn new skills, they become more confident, knowledgeable, and skilled. Encourage relationships. Host internal events, retreats, and other functions to boost morale and allow employees to get to know each other. The Gallup organization has found that when a person has a best friend at work, they're more likely to stay. When you pay attention to the details of your company culture, over time, you will create the type of environment that keeps your employees from becoming someone else's.